The Internet is one of the most transformative inventions in human history. Its development spans decades, beginning as a military project and evolving into a global communication and information sharing platform. Here's a chronological journey of its discovery and evolution. Early foundations, 1950s, 1960s. 1. Concept of networking. In the 1950s, scientists explored ideas about connecting computers to share information. The concept of packet switching, which breaks data into packets for efficient transmission, was proposed by Leonard Kleinrock and others in the early 1960s. 2. ARPANET, 1969. The Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, ARPANET, was developed by the U.S. Department of Defense. It was the first network to implement packet switching. On October 29, 1969, the first successful message was sent between computers at UCLA and Stanford. Expansion and standardization, 1970s. 1. Email, 1971. Ray Tomlinson invented email, enabling users to send messages electronically. The @ symbol was introduced to designate addresses. 2. Transmission Control Protocol / Internet Protocol, TCP/IP. 1973 to 1983. Vint Cerf and Robert Kahn developed the TCP/IP protocols, which became the foundation for the modern Internet. By 1983, ARPANET transitioned to TCP/IP, marking the beginning of the Internet as we know it. The birth of the modern Internet, 1980s. 1. Domain Name System, DNS, 1983. DNS was introduced to replace numeric IP addresses with easier to remember domain names, for example, www.example.com. 2. Expansion beyond military use. Universities and research institutions began connecting to ARPANET, spreading the network's reach. The National Science Foundation, NSF, launched NSFNet in 1986, which became a backbone for academic and scientific communication. The World Wide Web, 1990s. 1. Invention of the World Wide Web, 1989 to 1991. Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist at CERN, invented the World Wide Web, WWW, in 1989. In 1991, he introduced the first web browser, World Wide Web, enabling users to access and share hyperlinked documents. 2. Commercialization of the Internet. In 1993, Mosaic, the first graphical web browser, was released, making the Internet more accessible to the public. The Internet was privatized in the mid-1990s, paving the way for commercial websites and online businesses. 3. Search engines and email services. Early search engines like Yahoo, 1994, and Google, 1998, revolutionized information retrieval. Email services like Hotmail and Gmail became widely popular. The dot-com boom and beyond, 2000s. 1. Dot-com boom, 1997 to 2000. The late 1990s saw a surge of Internet-based companies, leading to rapid investment and growth. Although the bubble burst in 2000, it laid the foundation for the digital economy. 2. Rise of social media platforms like MySpace, 2003, Facebook, 2004, Twitter, 2006, and later Instagram, 2010, transformed social interactions online. 3. Broadband and mobile internet. Broadband connections replaced dial-up, offering faster internet speeds. The rise of smartphones and 3G/4G networks brought the Internet to handheld devices, making it ubiquitous. The era of Web 2.0, 2010s. 1. User-generated content. The 2010s were dominated by platforms like YouTube, Wikipedia, and social media, where users created and shared content. Cloud computing enabled storage and collaboration over the Internet. 2. E-commerce boom. Companies like Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba became global giants, changing shopping habits forever. 3. Streaming services. Netflix, Spotify, and other streaming services changed the way people consumed media, moving from ownership to access models. 4. Internet of Things, IoT emerged, connecting everyday devices like smart appliances and wearables to the internet. Modern Internet and emerging trends, 2020s. 1. 5G and beyond. The rollout of 5G networks has enabled ultra-fast connectivity, supporting technologies like autonomous vehicles and smart cities. 2. Artificial intelligence, AI-powered applications, such as virtual assistants, Alexa, Siri, and recommendation algorithms, have become integral to Internet services. 3. Decentralization and blockchain. Blockchain technology underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and decentralized platforms aim to reshape the Internet. 4. Web 3.0 and the Metaverse. The concept of Web 3.0 envisions a decentralized Internet where users have more control over their data. The Metaverse, a virtual reality-driven space, is being developed by companies like Meta and others, aiming to blend the digital and physical worlds. Impact of the Internet. Communication, instant connectivity across the globe. Information access, knowledge is more accessible than ever. Economic growth, entire industries, like e-commerce and digital marketing, thrive because of the Internet. Social change, it has transformed activism, education, and entertainment. The Internet continues to evolve, shaping and reshaping human society in profound ways. From its humble beginnings as a military experiment, it has become a cornerstone of modern civilization.